During the show, we'll talk about some new and exciting strength and conditioning equipment, which we think you're going to find interesting. I'd like to introduce you to the manufacturer and the developer of the Tornado, Glenn Clothier. Hi Glenn.
Hi Anna.
How are you doing?
I'm good today.
That's great. Okay Glenn, so how long's the Tornado been out for?
In its current form, this is the 4th prototype. It's been out since February this year.
Great, okay, and who's it good for?
Anybody can use the Tornado. We have novice sportsmen right through to professional athletes. It can be used by gymnasiums as a one-off piece of equipment to mix up workouts and target other areas and muscle groups that wouldn't normally be targeted. You can use it in a class format. The Tornado can be used by the end user, the person at home, the fitness enthusiast. It can be taken to the park, it can be taken to the beach.
Can you show us the Tornado and how it works?
Certainly. So the basic makeup of the Tornado, you'll find the foot plate here, the swivel joint here, the work arm, and in your Tornado kit you'll get the whole Tornado, plus you'll get a rowing strap or a lifting strap and a locking pin. I'll show you the use of the locking pin in a second. If we go down this end, you notice there's 2 rings here. There's a strap retainer and a plate retainer. That lifting strap actually goes in here. In our heavy lifting segment, I'll demonstrate how you put the strap in there. You'll also notice that this silver end here swivels, okay? That's to make it easy to use, very similar to the end of an Olympic bar. I'll show you how to use the locking pin. The locking pin here locks the work arm and the pivot joint to the foot plate. This is used for when you're doing heavy bent over rows or heavy shrugs. Okay? You'll find a hole here. Put the pin through, and that just drops down. Now that pin can't come out until that's lifted back up the horizontal and removed. At the end of this segment, I'll show you some very basic movements incorporating the Tornado. In the coming weeks, I'll show you how to do some heavy lifting with the Tornado and how to incorporate the Tornado into an MMA workout. I'll demonstrate a few movements with the Tornado, very basic movements. We'll start with the Tornado twist. This movement, extremely hard to do. Works pretty much your entire body. Move into a shrug. Pretty basic shrug here. Single arm row. And a squat. Squatting just the same as every other squat. If you do nothing but those few movements, the Tornado will have a big impact on your performance. I'll demonstrate a clean and press here, an adaptation of the Olympic lifting movement. I think there's a point to be made. The Tornado comes with a bar as part of its construction. You don't have to use your Olympic bar anymore in the corner of the room or the corner of a piece of equipment. All that will do is destroy your bar.
Check back next week when Glenn will demonstrate some more exercises.